Well, welcome to week 5, and we are now in project 5, the Music Festival CSS site. Now, it's actually, the site name is going to be Voices, but the book project itself is called the Music Festival site. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into Canvas, which I'm already in, and under assignments, you'll see that we have the Voices zip, which actually should be the one that you're going to use for the Dreamweaver itself. So what we're going to do here is we're going to download this. And I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to re-download it again. So I'm just going to open up the folder that's there, which I have right over here. So we're going to go into GoBerry, and I'm going to go back in and I'm going to actually re-upload it. Since I've already done it one time, I'm going to delete it and re-upload it. So I'm going to go into the Berry hosted user files. I'm going to go into my Summer A and the WIP. Oops, let's go back. And I'm going to delete this folder, which is where it's already been. So I'm going to delete that. You won't have to do that because obviously I do this multiple times, and I'm going to delete this file here. So you do not have to do that again. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload a file. Just click on upload, and then I'm going to choose the file, and then I'm going to go into the directory where I have it. And we're going to do the voices, and we're going to open that one up and upload it. The fact that I had to delete these folders is your proof that I actually do these things at a time to make sure that I'm totally familiar with them, so that if you have any questions, I can answer them for you as best as I can. So let's click on upload, and we're done. Then we're going to go and extract them by using the unzip. Going to click on confirm, and done. Here is the 05 folder with all of the files that you need. So notice that you have a CSS folder, you have an images folder already, and you have a template folder. So there's actually templates that are already done for you. So let's go back now into Dreamweaver, which I have opened here. And this is my startup screen here. I'm going to go to Site, and I'm going to go to New Site, and I'm going to name it 05 Voices. Then I will find the folder that it's in. Now remember, the WIP site is only for you're using to upload to the FTP server. So we're going to click on Voices here as our folder. Notice that it says folder in here. So we can click Select. Then I'm going to go to Advanced Settings. And I want to make my default Images folder the Images. Click on Select Folder. And that's good to go. Click on Save. And there is our site. So you can see that we have the CSS file in here. We have a bunch of images, and we have a template in here. So we're good. We have an index and a bunch of other folders, other HTML files. Remember that you should always put each one of these in its own separate folder. Remember, the only files that should be in the root folder is the index folder and a site definition if you export to site definition. And good practice is to, when you're making major changes to the index file, to have a separate index that you saved with a good working copy. So if something happens to your index and you mess it up totally beyond repair, you can always go back to the one that you saved over here. So that's it for setting up the site. So looking forward to having you work on it and hope you enjoy it. It's a fun project. So have a wonderful day.